Mike, and I'm going to try and explain to you what we're seeing now at the small degree. But first, I just want to talk about the main pattern down. I think it's complete for wave one. I think the zigzag wasn't able to grow any larger than this due to obviously still some upward momentum and oversold conditions on the RSI, which is trying to work itself off at all degrees, basically, 4 hour especially, right? So if we just quickly understand that that wasn't able to go any lower, the count was right, but the zigzag was small, right? And I think that I now believe that it was all just a weak 5 wave move, zigzag 1, 3, and 5. Now the thing that's going on here, I believe, is a sharp correction that's about to go higher. So to understand this, you need to understand RS wave. Waves can only happen in certain order. Now this is just my opinion at this point. Obviously, the waves will confirm me if I'm right or wrong. But what I see here is an a B, a C, and a D, right? A D wave. It's a small D wave, it's a small B wave, right? But I think that what's going to happen is if we break this high again from here, whilst this is just a zigzag and doesn't go below this low here, right? That potentially wave E could take this pretty high, right? I think wave E has the potential to do it due to how these waves work. Right now, we know weak 5 wave moves get retraced pretty quick. So I can imagine that if this count is correct, this is going to take this up pretty high in a blow off top for wave two. Right? It's going to look impulsive, and rightly so. It'll probably retrace quite a bit of this. I'm not sure how much. It's going to be pretty crazy. In my opinion, this is likely to happen. Now, if it doesn't happen, fair enough. It's not something that I usually mention in terms of sharp corrections because they can be complex and confusing for those that don't know how to trade them. Right. So just at the levels, if they hold, I'm not going to post this as an official idea because it's risky and you have to know what you're doing in order for it to work. Right. So if this remains as the low where we are now, price does not go below this, right? This idea will remain valid. All right, and that's 23,150 roughly. And we have to go straight up above the high. If we go straight up above the high, that is the start of wave D broken, which means wave E is in progress. At that point, you can initiate a trade and wave E should take this higher. Okay, so hopefully this has helped. Thanks for watching.